An early engineering mold of the Xiaomi 17 Air has surfaced on social media, offering a first look at a device that was once under development but never made it to launch, which resembles a dual-camera version of the iPhone Air. The rear design features a horizontally aligned camera module, an exceptionally slim body measuring just 5.5 mm in thickness, making it even thinner than the iPhone Air, which is said to be around 5.6 mm thick. The front is believed to house a 6.59-inch display, placing it firmly in the large-screen flagship category despite its compact profile. That leak also hinted at a rounded corner display design and a cold-sculpted metallic body aimed at delivering a refined in-hand feel, and a 200MP main camera. The leak also points to full eSIM support. If Xiaomi builds a 6mm class Air model, it's reasonable to expect a battery somewhere just shy of 5,000 mAh. The Xiaomi 17 Air isn't confirmed yet. We will keep you in the loop if we learn new details. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.